Bang!
I can fix the numbers.
Hey everyone, I'm Nichole, and if you've ever wanted to create cinematic videos, animated stories, or even professional commercials with AI, but had no idea how to organize all of your ideas, this tutorial is for you. Today, I'm going to show you a tool that's become one of my favorite additions to my AI workflow, SmartShot inside OpenArt. I still create my final videos using Dance, but SmartShot has completely changed my planning process. You still need your own idea, your characters, and a basic storyline. What SmartShot does is take those ideas and organize them into a complete production plan with things like your character Bible, environment Bible, story Bible, and camera shots. That gives me a much stronger foundation before I generate my final scenes. So let me show you exactly how I use it. Before we jump into SmartShot, let me give you a quick overview of OpenArt. OpenArt is an all-in-one AI creative platform where you can create images, edit photos, generate videos, train consistent characters, and access a growing collection of AI creative tools, all from one place. For today's tutorial, we're going to focus on one of my favorite features, SmartShot. SmartShot doesn't create your story for you. You still need your own idea, characters, and a basic storyline. What it does is take those ideas and organize them into a structured production plan with things like your character Bible, environment Bible, story Bible, and camera shots. That planning process helps create much more consistent results when it's time to generate your videos. Now, before we get started, let's quickly talk about pricing. OpenArt offers several subscription plans, and both the plans and credit amounts can change over time. The pricing I'm showing on the screen is current as of the date I recorded this tutorial. If you're brand new, don't feel like you need the highest plan right away. Throughout this tutorial, I'll also point out approximately how many credits I'm using along the way, so you'll have a better idea of what to expect before creating your own projects. Now that you have a quick overview, let's jump into SmartShot and start building our first project. Now that we've covered the basics of OpenArt, let me show you my actual workflow. For all of the examples you'll see in this tutorial, I didn't start inside OpenArt. I started in ChatGPT. I use ChatGPT to create my character sheets, my storyboard, and a short description of the story I wanted to tell. Then I brought those assets into SmartShot. Using my storyboard, character sheets, and a simple prompt, SmartShot analyzed everything and built a complete production Bible for me. That includes things like the character Bible, environment Bible, story Bible, and scene planning. You don't have to use every part of the production Bible, but I personally like using it because it lets me verify that SmartShot understood the story I was trying to tell before I spend credits generating videos. For this first example, let's take a look at Nova. Now that we have our character reference sheet, storyboard, and story prompt ready, let's bring everything into SmartShot. The first thing I'm going to do is upload my character reference sheet, followed by my storyboard, and then I'll paste in my story prompt. Once everything has been uploaded, SmartShot analyzes all of those elements together and begins building a complete production Bible based on the information I've provided. Depending on the complexity of your project, this process may use around 65 credits, but I think it's well worth it because this is where I get to verify that SmartShot understands the direction I'm trying to take before I spend even more credits generating videos. After the Bible has been created, I like to review each section to make sure my characters, environments, story flow, and scene planning all align with my original vision. Once everything looks good, I'm ready to move on to the storyboard and then generate my final video. Now let's take a look at the final result. This entire scene was created from the character reference sheet, storyboard, and production Bible we just built inside SmartShot. For this example, I used the Cdance video model that's available inside OpenArt. I generated a 15-second video at 720p because this is a tutorial and I wanted to keep my credit usage reasonable while still showing you the final quality. As you're watching, pay attention to how well it follows the storyboard, how consistent the character remains from shot to shot, and how cinematic the camera movement feels throughout the scene. This render used approximately 1,200 credits. If I were creating this for a client or as a final production, I would probably render it again at 1080p or even 4K for the extra detail, knowing that those higher resolutions will require additional credits. Let's watch the final result.
Now this example is completely different. Nova was cinematic action. This one is a character-driven comedy. And instead of creating a new AI character, I used my own face. I uploaded my character sheet, I uploaded Kyla's character sheet, I uploaded my environment reference, and I uploaded my storyboard. Then I clicked Create. This is what SmartShot gave me back. And honestly, this is where I knew it was understanding the assignment. It didn't just understand the characters, it understood the relationship between the characters. That's very different. Look at the character section. Nichole is identified as the dramatic warrior queen. Kyla is identified as the skeptical lioness with the permanently raised eyebrow. SmartShot already understands who's serious and who's over it. Then look at the storyboard. Before a single video was generated, the joke already exists. I make a dramatic speech. Kyla looks unimpressed. Kyla yawns. Kyla falls asleep. And I'm left standing there trying to maintain my dignity. The comedy is already planned before the render ever happens. Once I reviewed the production Bible and approved everything, I clicked Generate Video, and this is what SmartShot created. What impressed me wasn't the animation.
Girl, you didn't even
it was the consistency. The final video followed the production Bible almost exactly. The expressions matched. The camera angles matched, the story beats matched, the joke landed exactly where it was supposed to. That's why reviewing the production Bible matters. You're not guessing, you're directing. For the last example, I wanted to think bigger than content. I wanted to think like a brand, because SmartShot isn't just useful for storytelling, it's useful for creating commercial concepts too.
Now let's look at the commercial example. This project shows how you can use the exact same workflow to create polished marketing content for businesses or even your own brand. As you're watching, pay attention to the camera movement, product style shots, and overall professional feel. This is the type of content that can help you build a portfolio and attract clients who want high-quality promotional videos without the traditional production costs. If you're a content creator, freelancer, or AI consultant, learning how to create videos like this can become a valuable service you offer to businesses. Let's take a look.
The moment it goes on. Everything else stops. Sony WH-1000XM6.
Notice how the commercial evolves. We start in the jazz bar, the product is introduced, Marcus puts on the headphones, the world fades away.
The moment it goes on.
Then we move through the city, into the apartment, and finally to the rooftop. Every scene builds on the previous
Everything
one,
else stops.
just like a real commercial
Sony
campaign.
WH
What about this
1000
example is that it
XM6.
shows a completely different use case. This isn't content. This is a pitch, a proof of concept, a commercial that could be shown to a brand. SmartShot helped create the vision before the final video was ever rendered.
And that's a wrap. I hope this tutorial gave you a better understanding of how I use OpenArt SmartShot as part of my AI video creation workflow. If you'd like to try OpenArt for yourself, you'll find my affiliate link in the description below. And if you'd like my complete SmartShot creator workflow, including my character sheet templates, environment sheet templates, storyboard workflow, prompts, and the exact process I use, you can grab it using the link below as well. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future AI tutorials. And as promised, here's a sneak peek at the very first episode of Nichole and Kyla. This is only the beginning, and the full series is coming soon. I'm Nichole, and until next time, keep creating, keep learning, and keep earning with AI.
Today, we conquer everything! Girl, you didn't even eat breakfast.
Okay, here's the plan. You come in from the left, I come in from the right. We hit them from both sides simultaneously. Unstop your plan?
That's literally just running at them?
Strategically running at them, there's a difference. Trust the process.
I can't believe this is my life.
Let's go!
See? I told you we had things to conquer today.
Don't say it, Kyla. Fine. Let's go eat.